everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and today's video is a special Valentine's Day edition nail art tutorial featuring BTS's popular phrase, I purple you. It obviously has so much meaning, and I think it means more than I love you, so I decided to go with that. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Start by applying base coat to all of your fingernails as we usually do. So I'm also swatching Essie's new Valentine's Day collection in two of their shades, Crush and Blush, which I'm using right now, as well as Sparkles Between Us, which is like a bright hot pink glitter, which I'm using here. For the index fingernail, start with yellow polish and just draw a little heart towards the tip of the nail. And I start with a line in the middle, and then I go to one half and then finish the heart with the other half, of course. And then you want to fill in the center with more of the yellow polish to make it opaque. And then you also want to repeat this across your middle and your ring fingernails. For the middle, I'm using purple for the word purple in the phrase I purple you. So I'm just using a light purple. Use mint polish to paint a heart on the ring finger. Then outline the yellow heart with red polish. You do want to leave a little bit of yellow shown on the outside of it, so it's not really an outline, but you're basically drawing like a smaller, thinner red heart outline on the inside. Then write the letter I in red as well. For the purple heart, I'm going to be outlining in a slightly darker or pinkier purple. Then write the word purple in the middle of the heart. For the ring fingernail, I'm just going to be outlining the mint heart with red. And write U, Y-O-U, in the middle of the heart. Now all there's left to do is apply a generous layer of top coat to all your designs and make sure to float the brush across the top so as not to smear the designs. So that was it for this BTS x Valentine's nail art tutorial. This is probably my simplest tutorial on my channel, but I definitely wanted to create something that was more accessible and easily recreated for you guys. So this is what I came up with. I also wanted to add a kind of BTS/ARMY twist on Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful Valentine's Day, a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye everyone!